Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. This right here is a PNP plug and play combo that you can use to convert any gasoline engine paramotor frame into electric within 5 minutes, even on the field. I'll give you a demonstration of that in this video. Okay, so here we have the E-Glide V4 plug and play combo, and using only 4 screws you can put it on any paramotor frame, given that you have a proper frame. Now the only thing that you need to probably do is drill holes, new holes, because engines, the hole dimensions and distance between holes is different. This one is an easy task. You can drill 4 holes in your frame. Now this frame, once again, as I mentioned, is designed for 170cc. I believe that's the engine, 170 engine, and we don't have that engine. So what we are going to do is we're going to install E-Glide V4 power combo plug and play just like this with 4 screws. I have just 4 screws. If I'm right, these are 5.94 millimeter diameter screws. Then I have one little wrench and this little Swiss Army knife type of tool, and that's all I need for installing the power combo on this paramotor frame. Now I do have helping hands around, but what I'm trying to do is see if one person can actually install it or not. Okay, got it. Ow. We can see the time on the video. Safely, just like you can add it here, making sure the cables are not gonna stay loose. There you go. You're ready to install your battery pack in there. Once fully charged batteries are in, put it on, fire it up, and enjoy flying. So from this video that you just watched, from this video clip that you just watched, you can easily see how long it took me to convert a gasoline engine paramotor frame into an electric power paramotor with E-Glide V4 PNP combo. How many?
Almost 5 minutes.
Almost 5 minutes. So let's say within 5 minutes you can convert your gasoline engine paramotor into a pure, punchy, clean, quieter electric paramotor, even on field, within 5 minutes. So that's E-Glide V4 PNP right here, coming your way very soon. Stay tuned for updates on my channel. Their links are in video descriptions, and also there's a link to a page on onlyflymachines.com. You can always follow it to get all the updates, pricing, and everything. I put my whole load on it. Woo!
It's down right, boy.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on. Don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?